Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck? Ready to break the cycle of financial struggle and achieve financial success? Look no further. In this video, we'll be sharing with you 5 books that you must read if you want to be rich. These books are packed with valuable insights and strategies that have helped countless individuals to take control of their finances and pave the way toward financial freedom. Number 1. Rich Dad Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. This book offers a unique perspective on wealth and financial success, challenging the conventional wisdom that you need a high-paying job and a good education to become wealthy. Instead, Kiyosaki argues that financial literacy and entrepreneurship are key to building wealth. He uses personal anecdotes and examples to illustrate his points, making the book an engaging and thought-provoking read. Number 2. The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham. This book is considered a classic in the world of investing and personal finance. Graham provides practical advice on how to invest for the long term, including how to select stocks, diversify your portfolio, and manage risk. He also discusses the importance of discipline and patience in investing, making it a must-read for anyone looking to grow their wealth through the stock market. Number 3. The Millionaire Next Door by Thomas J. Stanley and William D. Danko. This book debunks the myth of the lavish, flashy millionaire, and instead shows that the majority of wealthy individuals are actually quite frugal and diligent with their money. The authors provide concrete strategies and habits that readers can adopt in order to build wealth, including living below your means, saving and investing wisely, and avoiding debt. Number 4. The Total Money Makeover by Dave Ramsey. This book is a step-by-step guide to achieving financial freedom with a focus on getting out of debt and building wealth. Ramsey offers practical advice and real-life success stories to inspire and motivate readers to take control of their finances. He also provides a plan for paying off debt, budgeting, and investing for the future. Number 5. Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. This book is based on Hill's research into the habits and traits of successful people, and it offers a blueprint for achieving wealth and success. Hill covers a range of topics, including the importance of goal setting, developing a positive mindset, and taking consistent action. He also provides practical exercises and techniques for applying these principles to your own life. So there you have it. 5 books to read if you want to be rich. Each of these books offers valuable insights and strategies for building wealth and achieving financial success. Whether you're just starting out on your financial journey or you're looking to take your wealth to the next level, these books are sure to provide valuable guidance and inspiration.